How to see description in YouTube Shorts. So for this example, I've just uploaded a YouTube Short on my mobile device here. So if you're scrolling through on your phone with the YouTube app, you're just scrolling through regularly, and similarly if you're going to do it on like a tablet or whatever the device is, and even your computer, it's going to be the same type of a look on the screen. What you're going to want to do is look towards the top right hand corner where you see the three little dots. You're going to want to go ahead and click on those three little dots there at the top right hand corner, or if you're on another device, those three little dots are going to be where you want to go, because when you click on that, it's going to come up towards the bottom of the screen and you're going to see description. Go ahead and click on there. Then if there is a description, it will be written in the bottom part down there. I just haven't wrote a description for this one because when you upload a video on YouTube Shorts on your phone, it doesn't let you do that. So if you want to write one, you'll need to be on a computer. But that's where it's done. Three little dots, click description, and then you'll see it there if there is one. So leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.